Dear students, during this difficult time of COVID-19, as per the need based, I am going to cover some numerical based videos for our subjects, computer communication network. Now this particular need was generated from your side when I put the message in the WhatsApp group. Now for computer communication network subject, there are 3 topics which are treated as the numerical based topics. Otherwise all other topics are theory based. Numerical based topics means there will be some numericals on these topics. The first topic is routing algorithm. You may be knowing that routing is the most important concept of computer communication network. Now under this routing algorithm, there are 2 types of routing which are generally treated as routing algorithm. First one is distance vector routing and second one is shortest path routing. Now this particular cumulative topic is asked in the university exam for 7 marks. Then next topic is to calculate the shortest path using Dijkstra algorithm. Now Dijkstra is one of the scientists who invented the shortest path algorithm for finding the communication through the different routers. Now under this particular algorithm, we have to calculate the shortest path and the numerical consists of 6 marks. Here, as per this numerical, there is one diagram will be provided to you in the university paper, and from that diagram the shortest path needs to be calculated by applying the Dijkstra algorithm concept. We are going to cover this particular concept in detail in our videos. Then third one is most important thing is that to design the routing table or to identify the routing table for a given computer communication network. Now routing table is the most important concept on which complete routing is going to be decided. So now finding the routing table, this particular numerical is going to be asked for 6 marks. Now I am going to cover all these 3 topics in my coming series of the video lectures, and every video lecture will not exceed more than 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I wish you all the best, and we are going to cover this. So this is the first video which I wanted to upload so that you can give your views, whether you understand these particular videos and whether my voice is clear or not. So I request all of you to give your feedback on this particular introductory video.